Hi there. Today we'll be installing Java on a Windows machine. I will go over installing Java for development and other uses such as gaming. Let's dive right in. Okay, so as you can see here, I have pulled up, I just downloaded this game for purposes of this demonstration, and this is a game that does require a Java install. You can see if I just try to run the game, this pop-up appears and it says, this application requires a Java runtime environment 1.7.0. And if we click OK, okay, well, it did open a thing about installing Java, but we're just going to Google Java here. Okay, so this is one way to do it. And we're going to go ahead and do this way for gaming. And just click the big green button here. This is the official java.com version. And then go ahead and open up the setup. Tell Windows it is okay. There we go. We are installing Java. So one thing of note here is I just installed Java 8. And that pop-up for the game did say that that we needed Java 7. But let's see if that installation worked for this particular game. And it actually did. So I'm not going to go ahead and play this game right now, but that's all there is to it if you just want to install a version of Java to run a program. Obviously, if a program requires a different version of Java than 8, like if it requires a higher version, you might have to do more, but it looks like that is the correct one for our use case right here. But if you want to do development work, you need what is called a JDK. So if we Google Java JDK, we get to oracle.com, which is what distributes Java for development work. And if we come in here, we can get Java 23 or 21 even. And all I am going to do here is click Windows. I'm going to keep it at Java at JDK 23. And I am going to get just the x64 installer. Go ahead and run that. As before, tell Windows it is okay. And then we just click Next. Next. And then we do have this option to click Next Steps to access tutorials and API documentation and everything, but you don't really need those. You can Google that stuff as it comes up later. Okay, so if we open VS Code here, and I am going to run java-version, and we can see that we do have Java installed. And I am missing a semicolon. So if I come in here and I click run main, it should go ahead and run and print out hello world. So now we can go ahead and do further Java development. So there you have it. Two different ways. One for if you just need Java to run things that other people have built. One if you need to install Java to build your own applications. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and drop a like and or subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any further questions. I'll see you in the next.